Hello everyone, I'm back again with another case video. This is for the Spigen Magnetic Ultra Hybrid S Magsafe case designed for the iPhone 15 Pro Max, excuse me. You can pick it up on Amazon. The crystal clear is $24.99 and the graphite is $25.99. I actually picked up the crystal clear. I don't think I actually noticed the graphite one initially. So I probably would have went with that since I ended up getting the black titanium iPhone 14 Pro Max. So we'll go ahead and check it out and place it on the iPhone and see how it works here. So again, this is a Spigen, and here it says Ultra Hybrid S on the packaging. Again, it's for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. So go ahead and take it out of the package here. And this has a kickstand on it, so that's kind of the sort of feature, obviously, with the Magsafe as well. So there it is, just a little paperwork there, how to pop it in there. It's pretty simple. Nothing else comes in the box. It's a hard shell. It's a hard shell case, so if you're not really into the hardback, that's what this is. And this TPU here on the sides, but it's not quite as flexible. A little more flexible here by the cutouts, but not quite as flexible as some of the other TPU cases. So I would say this is sort of an in-between, kind of a hard shell and then with a little softer TPU on the end here. So we'll pop it on the phone and check it out here. Let's see. Okay, let's see here. It gets in, it's pretty tight actually, it's a pretty tight fit. Let me go ahead and just pop it on there. It's actually a pretty tight fit, so let me go ahead and see if I can get it on there. I'm having a little bit of a tough time with it. It's, yeah, it's pretty tight. Let's see here. Sorry about that. I'm trying to get it on here, but it's actually, see if you can see, it's a pretty tight fit all the way around. Let me see if I can maybe pop it in this way. Yeah, it's really making those buttons move a little bit. Yeah, this is a really tight fit. I've never had this much trouble getting a case on. So let's go ahead and pop it from the top. Maybe that'll help. I almost feel like it's not quite wide enough, it seems like. Let's see, did I do something wrong here? Nope, I mean, I could take off this little portion here. The inside portion of it, so let's do that. I didn't even know that was on there. Sorry about that. Boy, this one is a tight one. Well, perhaps this tells you what you need to know about it. I'm having trouble getting on, and I'm behind the camera, but still. Oh, there we go. Finally, wow, that was really tight. I spent a good minute there trying to get that one on. It doesn't have a lot of lip protection. So if you notice there, it doesn't really have that much lip protection. It's real close to the edge there. There's not much lip protection here. It does seem to have a little more lip protection here on the back camera. Okay. So there's that. I'll take the back portion off there. And here's the kickstand. The kickstand holds it up that way nicely. Pretty sturdy kickstand there. Try to prop it up this way. Yep. And then one more this side. That one maybe not quite as sturdy, but it still does the job. So he has the kickstand on the back, and then it also has the Magsafe. So let's try to place a Magsafe wallet on there. This is the ESR one I had in the other video. Yep, that's pretty tight there. That's not going to go anywhere. So Magsafe is at least strong, and not a big fan of that white. So I probably would get the dark one if I were to go with it, if you have a darker colored phone. And then here's the other Magsafe. This is the, okay, so this one is actually going to not work as well. This is the pop grip, but because of the kickstand, it's actually redundant there. You don't really need that. So I would say for 25 bucks, not sure if I'm a big fan of how tight it was to get on there. So, and I'm not a big fan of the lack of lip protection. So I think that the buttons are fine. The cutouts are fine. Nothing wrong with those. You can access the action button there. The cutouts are fine here on the bottom. But and the kickstand works well. Magsafe is fine. If this is the kind of case you like, I think it's fine. Me personally, I'm just not really. It's very low on the lip protection. There is some. It's not like completely flat, but it's pretty minimal. I do have the screen protector on there now. If you watch my other video, it was the Amfil screen protector. But yeah, I wasn't really too crazy about how tight it was to get in there. It was a struggle to get it on. And yeah, I usually don't have that much trouble getting these on. Anyway, that's the Spigen kickstand case. Again, it's the Ultra Hybrid S. If you like this style of case, if you want to show off your phone, I think that's a good way to go. There are other options, of course. It is a hard back. This is a little softer TPU on the side. It was very difficult to get on, as you saw me struggle with it. I even had to pull it behind the camera. And there's that. So I'm probably personally not going to go with this one, but again, if you like this style with the kickstand and the MagSafe, those are the two features. You kind of get both there, and that's gonna kind of help out. And again, the wallet fits nicely. This is actually a large wallet, but the Apple Wallet, would maybe kind of go over just slightly, but you'd be able to take that off if you were to use it with a kickstand. Anyway, that's all for now. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. I hope you're well, and I hope your family's well. Take care.